Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be creating this gorgeous blue card in less than a minute pretty much. I know I've put it on my 5-minute cards, but it's a really quick one to make. I'm using the Lovely You cling stamp set. I'm using the Smile Sentiment. I'm using this gorgeous little feature here and then this flower here. And I'm doing it in Pacific Point, which is a colour I don't often use. So I'm being quite brave and going quite bold and going with the really, really bright blue. Okay, so for this one, all I'm doing to start off with my little feature detail is I'm going to stamp it on the corner of the card, both bottom corners. Going to guesstimate where the middle is and then the middle of that section. Doesn't matter if it's not perfect. And I'm just going to grab the smile and I'm going to stamp that above. Now I was really tempted to leave the card like that because I thought that was quite nice as like a real simple card. But what I decided to do was grab the bigger flower. Again, totally by eyeball, guesstimate where the middle is and stamp that down. Wait for a couple of seconds for that to dry. Because it is the water-based ink, it will just take a couple of seconds. If you start moving your hand around it, you're going to smudge and it's not going to look pretty. So in the meantime, I'm just going to grab our basic rhinestones and I'm going to pop one of these in between each of these details down here for some added extra bling. And then I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Right marker. Now I barely use these. I bet you actually didn't think I had them. You thought I just had blends because that's all I use. But no, I do have the Stampin' Right markers and they're pretty good because they're in the exact same colour as your actual ink. You have your colouring tip and then you have your writing tip. Okay, so I've got my ruler and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a box around here, but because I didn't want my box to like not look straight and look a bit weird, I decided to make sure it was definitely not straight. Okay, so all I did was do a line that is definitely not straight along the bottom and then do a line that is also not straight at the top but that was smaller than the one at the bottom. Okay, and then I popped my lines down on and also again I made sure that those were not straight, and I also put one starting quite high at the top and finishing quite low at the bottom and the other one starting quite low at the top and finishing quite high at the bottom, so it was a definite sort of differentiation of the shape. I was then really tempted to sort of put some little darly dots in there, but I chose not to. I was like, you've gone enough now. You've put your picture and your frame in, whereas before you were just going to leave it without either of those. Leave it now. It looks beautiful and it looks simple. And because it's got that bright bold colour on, I feel that kind of speaks for itself kind of thing. So what I'm going to do is, because I've already put the diamantes on here, I'm not going to attach my seal to the card. Instead, I'm going to attach it to the base so it doesn't, you know, mess my card up, because this is going to be different levels now. But because I know that this card is the same size as the base, it's not going to cause me any problems. And there we go. Quick, simple, easy, using the Lovely You set and Pacific Point. Don't forget this stamp. Honestly, I hardly ever use it because I'm just scared of it. And it looks absolutely beautiful, doesn't it? I really love it. I mean, look at the colour in that. Just pop it to my light so you can actually see. It's beautiful. This stamp set, this ink and everything else I've used today, apart from my ruler, is available at slimandstylish.stampinup.net. And if you are shopping with me, please don't forget to use my host code, which you can find over on my Instagram page at slimandstylish. Pop it in and I will send you a little gift as a thank you. Thanks everybody for joining me today, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.
I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.